Hey, fellow Century 21 agents. I wanted to make sure that you were aware of our Century 21 summer party. We're changing it up this year, and this time it's going to be in Arroyo Grande at somebody's private property. It is a venue that's not open to the public yet. It's due to open up in 2023. So really unique experience that we get to have and share without everybody else around. So envision the big kid that loves trains and is now retired and has built a fully functional railroad on his property that he's going to invite all of us to come ride on the railroad. And he's also employed 6 full-time guys to refurbish and rebuild the real cars. So you'll get to walk around, see all of the cool stuff. You'll get to ride on the train. We're providing lunch for everybody. We've got games and entertainment. So pretty please come and visit us in Arroyo Grande August 13th, and RSVP please, so that we've got a head count for that food. And bring your family. This is open for kids, and everybody's just gonna have a really good time. Oh, and don't forget to dress up if you would like in steampunk or train attire. We'll see you there. Have a great day.